Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to enable Siri on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the Siri. For the newer models like iPhone 15 Pro and the newer models, you will be having Apple Intelligence and Siri. But for me, I'm not on the newer models, it is 14 Pro, so I'm having the Siri option, so just tap on the Siri. Now from here you can see the talk to Siri, tap on it, and this is being turned off, so I have to change into Hey Siri. Go for Enable Siri then. Go to voice 1 and set a voice that you wanted. You can set it from here and just go for the next. Go for continue. You have to speak these things over here. You have to speak it one by one. Hey Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Now Siri is ready, so you can just tap on done and go for not now. So as you can see, the Siri is here, so I'm going to call the Siri. Hey Siri. As you can see, the Siri is activated. And also there is one more thing. You can see there is an option called press side button for Siri. You have to turn it on. So whenever you press the side button over there, the Siri will be activated. So just go back and you have to press it. Sorry. You just need to press and hold the side button. As you can see, the Siri is activated. So we have two methods on activating the Siri, and right now this is how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.